Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install OpenAI Codex CLI on VS Code. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. At first, you have to go to the Visual Studio Code here. So just download this and let me show you. This is my Visual Studio Code. I have already installed it in my PC. You just have to install it. Just go to the browser and go for VS Code and then click here download. And from here, you can actually download this, select Windows version if you are from Windows, and then just install it. It is really simple. I'm assuming that you can actually install it. And after that, you have to go for the terminal. And here, you have to check that if you have Node.js in your PC or not. So say here Node-v. Here you can see currently I have the version. It means I have installed Node.js in my PC. It is really simple. If you don't know how to install it, just go to the browser and go for the Node.js org. Click here download, select any long-term support version, then download the .msi and install it in your PC. That's it. Then if you search Node-v, then you will find this version. After that, you have to run here a command, and that is npm install -g for the global install, and then add OpenAI /codex. Now hit enter to install this globally in your PC so that you can use this codex anywhere from your PC. I already installed it. You just have to install it. And after that, if you say here codex, then codex will be open. Here you can see, and you have to come to this page. The page is all about platform.openai.com. And you have to log into your account. Here you can see currently I am logged in. Now in the left side, you have to search for OpenAI key. If you don't find it, just search here API key. There you can see API keys. So go there. And now we have to actually create our new secret key. So we'll click here new. And let's name it as, let's say, Yamin will take 07. Select default project. Now click here create secret key. Make sure you have copy it, okay? And you have to actually keep it somewhere in your PC, because when you actually say here done, you can't actually copy this code anymore, okay? Now let's go to the command prompt once again, export, and then space, then I paste it, okay? Paste the key, hit enter. Okay, you see export is not recognized, so we'll actually say here set, okay? Set, then paste the code, API key, and now hit enter, and here you can see environment variable added. After that, if you write here anything, let's say prompt to generate a portfolio website, you can actually do this through Codex. But remember, Codex is not free. You have to pay for it. If you want to use ChatGPT Plus, you need to actually pay for it. Unfortunately, I don't have this paid version. I have a free plan. So I can actually show you the process, but I have shown you rest of the process, how you can actually do this. You just have to give here a prompt, and then it will create the project for you if you have the ChatGPT Plus. Now let's see if you don't want to pay for this. You want to create your project through a free OpenAI, then you can go with the OpenCode CLI. We have a bunch of different videos on it. You can check in our channel. We have a playlist called AI Integrate. You can check here. You will find all the videos related to OpenCode CLI. And we have created a bunch of different projects on it. So you can check them. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.